Hello everyone, my name is Anmol and I am a STEAM instructor at ScienceUtsav. In this video, we will see a talking tom game and how it is formed in MIT App Inventor. So as you can see on the screen, this is our game. It is built on MIT App Inventor. So this is our talking tom game and it will work like whenever I will speak to him, it will respond me the same speech which I am speaking. So let's try this. It sound might come slow because of I'm used my mobile phone. So let's see how it works. Hello, my name is Anmol. How are you? So you can see that it is responding back the same speech which I am speaking. So this is all about the talking tom game, its UI and how it works. And let's move on to the code, how it is formed. So I'll take you to the website of MIT App Inventor because it is built on MIT App Inventor. So you can see here the complete user interface which I have used, a web viewer, I've used a button, speech recognizer, so it will recognize my speech what I am speaking, and the text to speech, so it convert the speech into text and back to the speech. The clock for this clock is used for some tricky, some complex portion if for the user, uh, for the like good experience, you know. So this is all about the user interface. This is a web viewer, a screen and a button, and I colored it, like changed it colored from here. There are so many features, you can change the color from here and can be done so many things. So let's move on to codes. So this is completely a block coding behind it, and this what I've used is this algorithm works like whenever I like tap to this button and I speak something, it will recognize my speech and it get the text from the speech, and it will convert that text after recognizing recognition back to the speech, and it will respond. So this is all the this is the algorithm behind it, and so I this is the logic I've used here. When I click on the button, it will like call the speech recognizer. The speech recognizer from here get the text, and it will show the GIF in front of in the screen using this link, and it will call back to speak in response. And the timer, this is the code for the timer, the clock to like change the GIF while speaking. So I have like used the same GIF in speaking also and in listening also. So you can like use 2-3 GIF for speaking, listening, or for you can also add some buttons like angry faces, gestures, something like that. So this is all about our code. So it is so simple. It is like built in 5-6 minutes. So this is so easy to make. So this is all about user interface, and that was the code behind it. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.